Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna play Survival Crap episode 4, and I'm back for some more. And yeah, so today we're gonna mine down. We're gonna mine down below here, and I have no shovel. Dang it! Sticks and one thingy, one stone. La, and there we go. Okay, so we're gonna make a little mining area so we can find good stuff. Iron, that. So we're gonna have a torch. Booyah. And now, pickaxe. There we go. That's a good one. I use this one. Okay, we found coal. That's really good. I lost my pickaxe. I think it's just broken. Let's make a new one. Alright. 4. There we go. Got it, and let's go back. Let's get the woods. Go. Let's go back and find and mine the coal. Perfect. Dang it, gravel. Dang it, gravel. Full of its soul. Stinky gravel. Oh yeah, I'm wearing different texture, as you see in the episode 3 or the episode 2. Let's see. Do this. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. I can't see, but I can mine. That's perfect. I'll lower the volume. Maybe in the video it'll be so loud. Okay, so I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mine more stuff. I think that's it. I have enough cobblestone to cover up this. So let's just keep mining straight down. Unless there's a lava. Stupid gravel. Gavel. I mean gravel, not cattle. There we go. More coal in here. And torch. Okay. Need that torch. So I need to dig straight down below this. I'm hungry. I'm running so delicious. Mining. Okay, there we go. That's a nice one. Oh, why you sneak mode? We don't need to sneak. Okay. It will be awesome if this could add multiplayer. That would be so perfect. I know. Oh, I think it just broke again. Go back up. Oh no. Put here. There we go. That was awesome. I think it's daytime. And it's still afternoon. You feel a bit chilly. Shut up. Oh, there it is. I have food. Great. Awesome. We got stone chunks. What are these for? Okay, alright, we're gonna do something else. Before the noon, we need to make something interesting in our house. Our house is not really good because we have no time. Yeah, it's so small. This is my sleeping area. Not too big. So, oh my god, I can't open the door. Okay, Minecraft P. There's a donkey. Can't kill it though. I killed many cows, but they all no meat. And now, donkey, come here. Come here, don't just run away. I need your soul. I need your tummy, come on. Come here. Bye. Come here. Son of a whore bag. Oh. Hey. Oh, there's a... Oh. See. Oh. Dang it. Don't you... Come here. Before I get freeze. How dare you? Come here, son. Oh, so cold. Run. I'm so... Dang it. Run for your life. Okay. Chicky. I never kill you once. Oh my god, I'm getting so cold. Go back. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Am I? Oh, jeez. God, no. Yes, made it. Oh my god. I got food there. Whew. Okay, we're safe. Can we cook the eggs? Oh, never mind. Doesn't matter. Got there, got more. Alright, let's look awesome. Oh, it looks great. It looks delicious though. Oh, that's the chest, this one. Just one more. I think we could cook the eggs. Right? Now you can't cook it. Dang it. Well, I eat that for food. It's nighttime. The dawn. Oh, never mind. Okay. Open the door and close. Have a good. Oh, so good. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, we're up and time to eat little eggs. Nom, nom, nom. I haven't found any iron. The pig just broke. I guess I could make more torches. There we go. Alright, there we go. I think I'm ready to set up. I'm gonna get some wood first. Wood is very expensive. Let's go here. There's a cow. Awesome. Hunting, go! Don't you dare kill me. No. Come back. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. You kill me in one hit. Then you just go? You can't challenge me. I need your flesh and blood. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill it. Come on. Come on. Run. guy. Come on. Die already. I'm getting cold here. Dude. Okay, finally. Hurry up. Dude, I'm getting cold. Oh my gee. Run. 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 Dang it. Run. Oh my god, I'm going. Good gracious. Am I gonna die? No, not at all. Wolf is near my house, though. I'll cook more. These bacon. It's a bacon. You kill a cow. If you kill a pig, that's a bacon. When you kill a cow, you got meat, beef. This creator doesn't know what it is. Cook more stuff. It's gonna be delicious. Yeah, I think, I don't know. What minute did I record? Turn 30. No, not that one. Oh, here. It's 11 minutes. Yeah. After this. Hurry up. Gonna edit the video. Dang it. Dang it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Oh. Oh, okay. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. If you want more games, if you want more other games, leave in the comments below. And leave a like for this video. If you want more survival craft, I could make more. Yeah. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.